Welcome again. I am Dr. Ravi Jaiswal, Associate Professor at LBS Group of Institutions, Lucknow. Today, we will be taking the topic managing product offerings. It is a part of the paper B2B and service marketing, which is the paper code is KMB and MK03. See, every organization, every company needs to have some product and some product offering, so that it can move ahead with making some profitability and survival. So, a commercial representation, when we talk about the product offering, it is commercial representation of what can be sold to a customer. Commercial representation means a thing, a product, a service, whatever can be sold is called the commercial representation, and it is to a customer. Customer is maybe the end user or it may be a business user, means business organizations. This product offering is created on the basis of the specifications, on the basis of the some characteristics and values associated with the product. It means, if we are offering some products to someone, so we must specify the product characteristics, we must specify the values associated with the product or the service, and it is different from product in the manner that it includes all the charges, the price, the discounts, and the charges may be means one time charge, it may be recurring charges, or it may be the charges based on the usage. So, the question arises, how to create product offerings, कैसे create करें market के लिए. We are ready with our products or service, but how to offer the product or service to our consumers, this is the challenging question, and often for this purpose managers use certain ways to create their offerings. It may be simple product offering or it may be the bundled product offerings, SPO and BPO. Simple product offering is basically when the single product is offered, is sold to the consumers, and different benefits, different values, characteristics, offers, other offerings are associated with that single product, that individual product. Then this is called as the simple product offering. Whereas, when we talk about the bundle or the grouping of the certain products, product may be offered to the consumers in combination, like if the Airtel is offering the product, their mobile handsets, as well as they have tie up with some certain other network company, like means they are providing their SIM as well as the phone, like a real phone or MI phone. When these kinds of grouped products are offered to the consumers, then it is called the bundled product offerings, which is called BPO in short. So, a set of simple product offering in groups together and sold as a bundle, and in this bundle pricing, bundle offering, not only group of single product offering are there, but there may be the simple product offerings as well as the combination of bundled product offerings also may be there. Means अगर हम बात करें सिंपल की, तो सिंपल में सिंगल प्रोडक्ट होगा, और अगर उसी समय हम बात करते हैं बीपीओ की, तो बीपीओ में हो सकता है कि कई सिंगल प्रोडक्ट्स को हम कंबाइन करके किसी कस्टमर को ऑफर करें, और वी में ऑफर सम सिंगल प्रोडक्ट एज वेल एज द ग्रुप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स टुगेदर. देन इन बोथ द मैनर इट कैन बी अ bundled product offerings. Here is a simple example of SPO, simple product offering. In following scenario, if we take the example of the telecom industry, we can see the product manager can offer in terms of single product offering. It can name the product summer starter plan, it can be summer starter plan, and it can be priced at 400 rupees per month. Means if telecom company is offering their SIM, their services with the name summer starter plan, and they are offering the price of 400 rupees per month, and they may offer the discount. They may offer the discount of rupees 150 per month for first 3 months, 4 months or 5 months, as the conditions may be. And whatever subscription can be there, they may offer. It is not the mandatory that these product offering is the mandatory. No, the company can offer like this: 600 minutes per month and 1200 SMSs per month. It means this is the whole of the product offering. Including this, there may be some other charges. After the actual limit of usage, the company may say that after 600 minutes and after having used 1200 SMS, company may offer 1 rupee 50 paise per minute for calling and 50 paise per SMS. So, as a whole, if we take it as a whole from this to this, it is a simple product offering. It means a telecom company is offering their services in this manner. But if we talk about the bundle product offering, it may be somewhat different. Like again, taking the scenario of the telecom industry, product offering detail means SPO, BPOs. BPO may be with the name Valentine's Special. In a specific month, if it is being offered in say in Feb, then this offer can be given the name as Valentine's offer, Valentine's Special. And in this offer, as a bundle, company may give certain benefits, the bundle of benefits like 2 GSM starter plans, means they are providing, the company is providing 2 SIM. Including the 2 SIM, they are offering 2 mobile devices, and it may be the mobile devices may be associated with any company, say XYZ company, or it may be MI, it may be Realme, it may be Samsung, any company. And if the model is actually priced at 8,000 rupees each, the company may charge the initial price of 10,000 as a whole. See, here we are talking about the bundle. In this bundle, they are offering 2 GSM SIMs, they are offering 2 devices, mobile devices, and which is at the initial cost of the 10,000 rupees. For any consumer, it may be beneficial if they are required all these services, and sometimes if the company, if the customers are again not in need of these kinds of services, still they can replace their old mobile devices with the new one. So, with this, monthly price can be for 2 SIMs 600 rupees, again it is beneficial for any consumers. Then SPO, and also they are offering the discount 200 rupees for 5 months or say 6 months or for say 4 months, it may be any number. Now, here it is different from the simple product where individual product was there. Here there are at least 2 products, means mobile device as well as the service in the form of SIMs, and that is 2 in very less price comparatively. So, ultimate goal of the company is to create new customers, to expand the market, whether it can be created by this SPO or BPO. Company for this purpose may undergo through some researches, and if they think the first strategy will work, they may go with the SPO. If they think BPO is the need of the hour and the companies are attracted, consumers are attracted with these types of products offerings, then they may go with these BPO. Now, many times we get confused that there are product and there are product offerings. There are two terms, and these two terms are same or different. See, many times companies or consumers use these two terms interchangeably. They may call the product offering as a product, or they may call the product as a product offering. For them, for some companies, at some moment these two may be the same thing, but there are basic differences. If we talk about the product is the thing that is created by using some efforts, by some labor, जहाँ जिसमें कुछ कंपनी को कुछ एफर्ट्स अपने मैन पावर का यूज़ करना पड़ता है. In the factory, in the manufacturing units, and sometimes it requires processes, and also it provides many benefits to the market. Means if something is produced in the company, in the manufacturing unit, then at that time it may require some process to go through, and it also should have some benefits, some value for the market. Market here is referred to the consumers, and the product with their values or benefits associated with them, the whole thing is termed as the product. But if we talk about the product offering, here as in the last examples we have seen, there was so many things other than the product. There was product, and there was also offering in terms of the prices, there was the offering in terms of the discounts, there was offering in terms of some other benefits. So, an offer is basically a product with its price as well as the discounts. Here price may be monthly, may be one time, may be yearly, anything, and the whole package, the whole group of the price, product and other things which are to be which are being offered to the consumers, this whole package is basically called as the product offering. So, by these two differences, this product and product offering, we can say the product is what you produced and offering is how you offer, how you take your product, how you market your product into the market, into the market for the consumers. Now, there are certain types of product offerings. See, product offerings may be again in a single, it may be a single product, जैसा पहले भी बात हुई, or it may be a BPO, bundle product. In both the cases, the whole product offering may be categorized into four basic categories. First is the convenience offering, then shopping offerings, specialty offering, unsought offering. Here we will discuss the first one, convenience offering. When we talk about the convenience offering, then the question arises, what is this basically? All the offerings are somewhat alike, but no, convenience offering are the product offerings which consumers buy regularly in routine. Every day we came across too many requirements. We may require matches, we may require pen, we may require some daily wear clothings, or we may require the FMCG goods. These types of goods not require much comparison with other products, means there may be too many products in the market, but if you are used to buy certain brand, then these types of offerings, convenience offerings never make you bother, never bother you, because you are very much used to those products and you never use so much thought to buy those goods. That is why they are called as the convenience offering. जो आप अपनी आसानी से, जो आप चाहते हैं कि आपको आसानी से मिले, बहुत ज़्यादा एफर्ट करने से नहीं मिले, तो ऐसी चीज़ें कौन हो सकती हैं? द थिंग्स लाइक दिस, द ऑफरिंग्स लाइक दिस विल बी ओनली of daily use and which require less amount of money to be offered to the sellers. But the second is somewhat different, shopping offerings. Shopping offerings are the product which consumers do not buy regularly. At buying, when they are buying the shopping offerings, then they require some comparison with other products available in the market, say competitors. If we are going to buy certain kinds of say mobile phone, then for sure we will not buy it without having much thought. We will go through many comparison, we will go through many taking many feedbacks. We may go online or we may go offline, but in both the cases we may have certain feedback from other users. We compare the quality of the products, we also compare the style associated with those products. We also say very much concentrated on the price issue of certain of these kinds of product. So, these, if we are associated with this quality, the style, the price of the products, then these kinds of the offerings will be termed as the shopping offering. At the same time, if there are certain products which are not very much purchased in our daily life, then it is called as a specialty offering. Basically, these kinds of offerings are the associated with the products which are means associated with our brand identification. Say if we are going to buy say washing machine, then the washing machines are not being purchased in regularly or very frequently, but these offerings are differentiated with other products, means whatever this product, whether it is say washing machine or refrigerator or car, they are not purchased in a very frequent manner. Once in a while you purchase, in 5 years or say in 10 years. So, you are highly means having you are highly associated with the services, with the brands of these kinds of products, so that it can give you the comfort, it can give you savings, or it can give you the benefits in for the longer run. These kinds of offerings are called the specialty offering. Say mostly these specialty offerings are associated with the high cost, and therefore, if the cost is on higher side, then for sure the consumer will buy those products once in a while. Again, there is the last type of offering, which is called as the unsought offering. Unsought offerings are you can say you just imagine that you are not having the requirements of certain things, but at random you think if you could have one wristwatch, then it will be easier for you to take to carry out all those works in a proper manner at proper time, then if at some point you require some offerings, some things that is now your need, and for satisfying your need, if you are going to buy those goods, then these types of offerings are unsought offering. Say see here different consumers are different in their buying pattern. For some consumers, specialty offering and unsought offering or shopping offering may be different. Like if for one customer medicine may be unsought offering, if they require the medicines, only then they will purchase, otherwise they will not. But if there are if the consumer is having some regular, some consistent problem and he is in use of the medicine in regular basis, then for them the medicine will be convenience offering, because they won't be go for making purchases having much comparison with other medicines, because they are used to carry on with their product in their daily life. So, all these were the types of product offerings: convenience, shopping, specialty and unsought. Now, here the next topic is the strategic tools for managing product offering. How the product offerings can be managed by the product managers in the longer run. Say it is the market where offerings are being made by the companies, and in the market there may be different competitors. Other companies are also there to make the same kind of offering. Then it is the requirement of the time that product managers use certain strategic tools or make certain strategies, so that they can survive in the market in the longer run with making the good profit. So, first is the product strategy and road mapping. See, if you are going to, as a seller, as a business owner, you are going to make some certain offering in terms of SPO or BPO, then you have to go through certain strategy for the product. What product can be sold in the market? What is the requirement by the consumers? If product has been manufactured in the organization, in the factory, with the help of machines, or the services are being created for the consumers, then what services customers like, and how those services, those products can serve the purpose of the consumers or customers. And for that strategy, a proper road map should be created, proper blueprint. Road map is what? It is blueprint, how your product will be in the hand of consumers, in what process, whether you will go to them or the customer, or you will attract the consumers. At the same time, second strategic tool may be the analytics. It is the basically analytics is consumer analytics. Competitor analytics means in for organization there may be certain data that should be analyzed. The data may be in means for different departments. It may be for marketing department, it may be for the manufacturing department, may be associated with the product quality, may be associated with the prices. There may be many competitors in the market, and all the competitors may have different kinds of product offerings associated with the prices, the price, the discounts, the availability of the product. It will be different. So, what is that actually? If you know the move of the competitors, you are able to have the psychology of the consumers, competitors and consumers both, then at that time this will be a great strategy tool for the management of the product offerings. At the same time, the third is the customer feedback. Very frequently company must go with taking the feedback of the customers and creating the surveys. When you as a seller very frequently go with the surveys and taking feedback then of the customers, then for sure customer will be give many times they give their fair feedback, and with those fair feedbacks it will be helpful for the company to move ahead in the proper manner. Again here is competitive analysis. Competitors move must be analyzed properly with their offerings. Target customers, see target customers are there, too many customers are there, and but all the market, all the customers are not can be yours. So, you have to target the customers. Before that you must be making proper segmentation, and as per the requirements you must target your desired customers. This is the great strategic tool for any company, and at last but not the least, it is the company's branding. As soon as you are you will come up with the great branding of the company, then for sure product offering, better product offering can be there. Great brand attract great customers, and great customers will force you to make good product offering. And with the help of these 6 tools, a company can move ahead with their product offering in the very good manner, making the good profit. There are maybe some challenges for the challenges for the companies, like mission statement. For this purpose your challenge is again the mission statement. Mission statement it should be good, that because it attract the customers in positive manners. Business goals and challenges must be there. You must be analyzing your goals. You must state your goals in a good manner, and also challenges. The positioning of the product should be there in the good manner. Next study tool is idea generation and research. Proper research should be done, so that the great products can be offered to the customers. Analyze risk and market demand. Very frequently you must be analyzing the risk and market demand, only then you will be keep yourself in the market for the longer run. And the last strategy is the innovation. Innovation is the thing that is the primary in nature in these days, because innovation is the thing that gives your product the new look, new feel, and give the better benefits. So, it was all for today. With the next topic we will be coming soon. Thank you.